Hello tribes, welcome back to Executive Hausa Tutors channel, your number one place for learning Hausa language easily and with fun. Today's lesson is about Hausa vocabulary for nature and climate and environment phrases. Let's jump right in. Basic weather vocabulary. Yanayi, weather. Sanyi, cold. Zafi, heat. Rana, sun. Gajimare, clouds. Ruwan sama, rain. Iska, wind. Hazo, fog or harmattan dust. Tsawa, thunder. Walƙiya, lightning. Ambaliya, flood. Fari, drought. Guguwa, storm. Sanyi mai tsanani, extreme cold. Daily weather phrases. Yanayin yau yayi zafi da yawa. Today's weather is very hot. Yau sanyi yayi yawa. It is very cold today. Ana tsammanin ruwan sama yau. Rain is expected today. Iska tana kaɗawa sosai. The wind is blowing strongly. Gajimare ya lullube sama. Clouds have covered the sky. Kwatsam yanayi ya canza. The weather changed suddenly. An yi ruwan sama da safe. It rained in the morning. Hausa seasons vocabulary. Lokacin damina, rainy season. Lokacin rani, dry season. Lokacin sanyi, cold season, harmattan. Lokacin zafi, hot season. Now dialogue. Two friends discussing seasons. Amina, wane lokaci muke ciki ne na shekara? Which season are we in now? Sa'idu, lokacin damina, ana samun ruwan sama akai-akai. We are in the rainy season. It rains frequently. Amina, ina son damina, saboda yanayin ba zafi. I like the rainy season because the weather is not hot. Sa'idu, ni kuma na fi son lokacin sanyi, musamman in hunturu ya zo. I prefer the cold season, especially when the harmattan comes. Now, nature and environment vocabulary. Muhalli, environment. Daji, forest. Kogi, river. Dutse, rock. Ƙasa, soil or land. Tsirrai, plants. Dabbobi, animals. Bishiyoyi, trees. Ruwan sha, drinking water. Gurɓatar muhalli, environmental pollution. Shara, waste. Now, talking about the environment. A dialogue between teacher and students. Teacher, me yasa ya kamata mu kare muhalli? Why should we protect the environment? Student number 1. Domin lafiyarmu da ta dabbobi. For our health and that of animals. Student number 2. Idan muka gurɓata muhalli, za mu fuskanci ambaliya da fari. If we pollute the environment, we will face floods and droughts. Teacher, gaskiya ne, ya kamata mu rage sare itatuwa da zubar da shara a ko'ina. That's true. We should reduce deforestation and stop dumping waste everywhere. Now, weather forecast style talk. A yau, ana sa ran samun ruwan sama a yankunan Arewa. Za a samu kaɗawar iska sosai da yamma. A kudu kuma, yanayi zai kasance mai ɗumi. Today, rain is expected in the northern regions. Winds will be strong in the evening. In the south, the weather will be warm. Let's go over the basic weather vocabulary slowly. Yanayi, weather. Sanyi, cold. Zafi, heat. Rana, sun. Gajimare, clouds. Ruwan sama, rain. Iska, wind. Guguwa, storm. Hazo, harmattan dust or fog. Tsawa, thunder. Walƙiya, lightning. Ambaliya, flood. Fari, drought. Sanyi mai tsanani, extreme cold. Hausa seasons vocabulary once again. Lokacin damina, rainy season. Lokacin rani, dry season. Lokacin sanyi, cold season or harmattan. Lokacin zafi, hot season. With this, we have come to the end of our lesson. Let me know in the comment section what you would like me to teach you next. Thanks for joining us. Remember, learning Hausa language is fun. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. If you need any private Hausa lesson or any other Hausa services, please reach out to Executive Hausa Tutors page directly. See you next time. Bye-bye. Sai anjima.